Hello, Namaste. Today I am going to share with you an interesting idea on passive income. I am very sure that the idea of passive income is very dear to your heart. Unfortunately, we fail to plan adequate amount of passive income for our housing need, for our household expenses. And my attempt today would be to offer one avenue that can help you to design your respectable, long, and consistent monthly passive income. So, let's first understand what is the difference between active income and passive income. This is just to refresh the idea. The active income where you work for money, and passive income where money works for you. That is the simple difference between active income and passive income. Why do we need passive income? So, COVID has taught us a lesson that there is always uncertainty prevailing in our life, and to deal effectively, we have to have a backup plan. And there cannot be any better backup plan than to design your own passive income. So, in olden years, the yesteryears, we were very comfortable with post office monthly income scheme, bank fixed deposits, the dividends of mutual funds, dividends of equity shares, then the LIC pension scheme. All those traditional products we were very okay and comfortable with. Now, what has changed post COVID? What is the future that we visualize? There is constant decrease in interest rate, and trust you, in future also the interest rate will not be what it is today. It will decrease. So you are obviously concerned about. Two, the stock market is constantly rising, which is not going to constantly rising, but the volatility of stock market also bothers you. Three, the employment stability is also very questionable, is also very challenging these days. So people are wanting to design some entrepreneurial journey, and when you are in mood to shift from employment to entrepreneurship, the only supportive tool to your family could be the passive income. Now, to design any such passive scheme, you need to give a lot of time, and you need to have a very much planned decision. So my objective today is to help you introduce one simple concept that we have in-house designed called MMIS, Mutual Fund Monthly Income Scheme. Now, you would be concerned that is it a guaranteed return scheme? It's not guaranteed. Does it have a higher return potential? Yes, it has. Then is it tax efficient? Yes, it is tax efficient. Is it highly liquid? Yes, it is highly liquid. Does it have any lock-in period? No, it does not have any lock-in period. But we suggest that you invest it only for a minimum for 7 years. Then, are you looking for an investment that give you monthly pension type of income plus return of capital? Yes, this concept has inbuilt feature of return of your capital. Now, you would be curious to know that if I were to look for a 10,000 rupees of monthly income for 20 years, how much do I need to invest? The amount is 18 lakh of rupees. 18 lakh of rupees you invest for 20 years of horizon, you would continue to receive 10,000 rupees monthly income, passive income, and at the end of 20 years, you would be happy to receive the amount of capital that you invested. So this is just for example that I have shared with you. You have a 25,000 rupees objective in mind. How much do you need to invest? 43 lakhs of rupees you need to invest one time. 43 lakh of rupees you would be investing one time. You would continue to earn 25,000 rupees for 20 long years, and at the end of 20 years, you would be receiving that 43 lakhs rupees back. If you are looking for 35,000 rupees monthly income, you need to invest 60 lakhs of rupees for 20 years of horizon, and all these 240 months you would receive the monthly income plus the return of capital at the end of 20 years. Now, this concept is nothing new, but we have customized to cater our customer who constantly need passive income, who are looking for an income where inflation is taken care, where the interest rate is outperformed, and where the consistency of income is predictable. So considering all these parameters, we have designed this MMIS, Mutual Fund Monthly Income Scheme, and we would be happy to share the one-pager PDF that will be available in the description box, and we would be happy to share more information. We wish that you adapt a new way to design your passive income. We wish that you opt for a newer option for a pension scheme, and these are the tools that we have to offer you. We wish that you go through the brochure and enroll for the MMIS. Thank you very much.